Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our tail lamp assembly. To do this, you're going to want to have the trunk in the open position. Once you get inside, you're going to make your way over to the side that you're going to be replacing. What you'll notice is you have two of these black tabs. We'll go ahead and turn those counterclockwise to remove each of them. Give them a quick inspection, of course. Get this one off of here. Now we can grab onto this, we're going to give it a little tug, and what we're doing is trying to lift it up and away from the back of the vehicle. If you are replacing both tail lamps, go ahead and remove the other side as well. I'm only doing one side, so I'm going to focus on this side. Now on the back side of this, we're going to start with our mounting hardware. There's three 10mm headed nuts, one here, one directly above it, and then there's one over on the far side, essentially forming a triangle. Go ahead and use your 10mm to remove all three. Now we can make our way out here. We'll grab onto that lamp assembly. We're going to give it a little wiggle to break it free. Carefully start separating it from the vehicle, keeping in mind that you do have electrical on the back side. Let's start removing these pigtails here. Now for the brake light itself, it has a tab right where my index finger is. Go ahead and grip onto that. We're going to give this a little twist counterclockwise and remove it. Once you have it out, take a peek inside. Make sure it's not time to replace that bulb. If the filament looks like it's burnt, now's the time to replace it. Just go ahead and pull it right out. Now for this one right here, same thing. I'm just going to grab it, turn it counterclockwise, pop it out, give it a quick inspection. And now we have that mounting point that holds the wiring to the bottom of the lamp assembly. Just go ahead and grab onto that tab, carefully lift it up, and separate the two. There it is, friends. Now it's time to get our lamp assembly installed. Let's essentially reverse the process as when we removed it. I'll start right here with this bulb. Go ahead and put that in. Turn it clockwise to lock it in, make sure it's secure. We'll do this one as well. Latch that in. Of course, we'll reconnect our wiring in here so it's safe and secure. Now we can go ahead and line up our tabs with the holes that are inside the body of the vehicle. Go ahead and slide that right in. Start on all three of your mounting nuts. Snug them up. We'll put the carpet back up along the side. Now for this aspect, what we want to do is you want to make sure that those studs line up with their corresponding holes along the back side here. But you also want to pay attention down along this area, along here. Underneath this area, there's going to be some tabs that need to press into there, so you have to have everything pretty much lined up. We'll give it a little bonk. That's going to lock it in. Now we can come in here with our two tabs. Go ahead and put both of these on and bottom them out.